Hey guys, welcome back to Red Rock Crawlers. My name is Jensen, and this week we're going to be heading down Skyline Drive. What are we doing, bud?
Going off-roading.
We're going off-roading? Are we gonna have so much fun?
Yeah, can I do one with snow?
Yeah, we might find some snow.
Yay! It's raining. Then I want to see the end of it.
Duncan loves trains, as I think most kids do. So this is pretty cool. He gets to watch the train as we go down the road. So we're headed up Skyline Drive here today. Thought we would go take the family out and go for a little adventure.
I don't know if you can see me.
I don't know how far we're gonna get because of the snow. I don't know if you've watched any of my other snow videos, but I don't get very far in the snow with these tires, so we'll try, but we'll see. Duncan,
Yeah?
did we find some snow?
Yeah!
You wanted to go off-roading in the snow, right?
Yeah!
Is there mud on your window, Quinn?
Yeah! There's just a mud.
Yucky mud?
Yeah! The way mud.
Is there yucky mud, Jasper?
It's probably because of the rocks.
Yeah.
My favorite part of snow jeeping, when we get to save someone. Hello, sir. Looks a little stuck. So Jensen's gonna see if we can help him out. So hopefully we can help him and we don't get stuck because we don't have any service. And I don't want to be up here all day waiting for Jensen to hike down for help. Get him out. If not, we'll have to try the winch. Winch? I always say it wrong and Jensen teases me. Oh, it's slippery. Look at that mud. It's cold out here. I left my coat. The sun is warm and I'm shivering. So if it's shaky, don't mind the shiver. Alrighty, try again. Whoa, 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 woohoo! Success! Pretty deep over here.
That was the one for the
In
side,
that.
right there. That's the one you post.
Yeah.
Well, we just pulled this nice guy out of the ditch there. He was trying to turn around and well, thought he could turn around, and he got sunk in the snow. But I'm just worried if we go any farther, we're gonna get stuck, and then we're not gonna have anyone to help us out. So I think we're gonna turn around and go find a spot for the kids to run around in. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys want to go play in the snow?
Yeah!
Okay.
We need to find a different spot.
Okay, let's go find a different spot. We can play in the snow, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna get you guys with a snowball. Hiya! Oh, almost got you. You having fun, Jasper? Yeah. Hey, oh! You got me. What's wrong, Quinn?
I'm scared of the hill.
You're scared of the hill? Yeah. We'll be okay. We're going down the hill?
Yeah! We are going.
We're rolling down the hill. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no! We're falling!
Again!
Oh, is that scary?
No! Third! Again!
Well, we're probably not gonna go again, but we'll go another time.
Why we can't do it again?
Because Mommy doesn't want to. So I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a while. I've been super busy with work and just coming up with these other events that we're going to be doing this summer. We're actually going to be hosting a Go Topless event this May. So that's going to be a lot of fun. We're really looking forward to that. Just after Easter Jeep Safari, we've got a venue set up and we're going to go just to have a bunch of fun and have some prizes. And so if you're local here in Utah, come check it out. It's going to be a lot of fun. All of our info for that is on our Facebook group. This week's just kind of short and sweet. Just wanted to get out and go have a little bit of fun, let the kids get out and play in the mud, which is exactly what we did, didn't we, bud?
Yeah.
Did you find lots of mud?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. That's it for this week. We'll see you guys on the trail.